All right, picked up this stove this morning on a busy boulevard in my harbor community of San Pedro. It just set out just on the way on the sidewalk, or in the way on the sidewalk. So now it's in the back of the truck and it's gonna get scrapped. Thank you, everybody. Who loves bed rails? I love bed rails. They somehow jumped into the back of the truck. Thank you. All right, picked up an outdoor, some sort of gazebo, a bike, and some heaters that have metal somewhere in there, but I'll get to it. We got our list, we got our route planned. Let's go get that metal, and thank you everybody for the calls and messages. All right, at one of the first stops, we got us a water heater, so thank you so much. We'll have to pop that off. We took all the good stuff off, but we'll take it. Let's get to it. Load it on the truck. Okay, this is the first one going on the truck, so we're going to make sure we move it up to the front, strap it in there tight so when we drive around it doesn't fall over. All right, so I got a back rack that I keep there, little strap. We're good to go. Let's get to the next one, Grandpa. All right, got us a free lawnmower. I love that. Good stuff. Any bed frames? Wood. All right, let's get that lawnmower on the truck, Grandpa. Driving in Los Angeles when they're working on the roads can get a little sketchy.
1,000 feet, turn right onto West 208.
All right, I think I found a TV stand. Let's get that in the truck. All right, found some more metal, and as you can see, we've been filling up the truck pretty good. And again, thank you everybody. Metal. All right, I'm gonna move the stuff I collected this morning onto this truck, and I've got a company that's given me their old metal pallets, so we're gonna have a load, and let's get it done, and next thing you know, we'll be at the scrapyard. All right, Thor, back at it again. Let's see if this water heater has anything in it. Get down low. Plastic should come off with one hit. Here we go. Oh, baby, they did a good job and drained it. This one's going to the scrapyard. What brand is this one? Uh-oh. All right, back at the scrapyard. Got to get in line to get paid. Well, got to get weighed, then get paid. Looks like they're moving some dirt, too. All right, got the moon shining. The mountain of steel. Here we go, all praise. May it come back as a brand new car. Here we go, and as you guys know, honored to be here. Thanks for the calls. Everybody out here hustling. Let's go. Come on, Grandpa. And most of all, don't forget your hand truck. God, this is a good tool. Ah, yes. I think people are getting new chairs for the summer. All right. All right, one at a time, baby. Ooh, boy. All right, get rid of all the stuff I think I might step on and slip on. Don't want to slip, don't want to trip. Grandpa don't want to fall off of this thing by any stretch. Woo! All right. All right, get it going. You might remember the lawnmower from this morning. And away we go. All right, into the next big baby boy. Woo! Oh, get the straps off, Grandpa. Don't forget where you left them. Easy. All right, strap it up so it all doesn't fall on my head. And most of all, don't drive away with the straps hanging down. Sometimes you get a little tired and crap happens. In that last video, you got to see the pipe flying through the air. And we get to see the summer gazebo go flying through the air. And some of my favorites. Oh. All right, be nice to your machine. Oh man, just contemplating that. A lot of guys don't know the last 5 years, my daughter blessed me with the opportunity to babysit my first granddaughter, and she turned 5 recently, and I was just so darn tootin' grateful that like one of my best friends on the planet is like 5 years old. I'm 65. And one of my best friends is 5. And I just so incredibly grateful to tears because that little young lady has made me a better dude. She's getting a witness to a better dude. Because like my kids will say something like, Dad, you never say no, you know, you don't freak the you know what out when the milk gets spilled. And I go like, you know what, I apologize. I was a young scared dad and thought I was doing what I was doing the way I've been raised, and I see that there's a better way to do stuff, and that I got to live long enough to share it. It's the same way I coach too, football. Love wins. Man, it's the grease of the universe. Seriously, it's the grease in the gears. It makes things go. Hate got nothing on love. It's the light that shines the light. And you know what too? It's like a superpower too. People that are butt heads. Wow, it kind of reminds me of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the island of misfit toys. They just want to be understood and loved, and I found that in my life of coaching That's all bullies wanted, was to be loved and acknowledged. You know, they're bullies because, you know, they've been mistreated, basically, and they just want to be loved up. So you give them a little grace, give them a little room to get to know you, and things get better. So I want to give a shout out to my granddaughter and all my family that I've had this opportunity to grow and be a better human. And for all my past failings, I just want to say I'm sorry over and over. Yes, sir. I keep banging that thing. All right, kids, I got to sweep it out. This is what we got. Let's go get weighed, get paid. Thanks for listening. Appreciate you guys. Getting a little therapy out here. All right, tail the tape, and not bad, you know, cleaning up this morning. I mean, you've seen everything in the video. Ended up with 1,600 pounds. Thank you for those steel pallets for pushing us up, and we're still at that rate. 196 per gross ton, and we're sitting at a 141, cleaning the community and keeping this stuff out of landfill. I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. Hey, if you want to see more of this stuff ad nauseum, man, I've got a whole playlist just for this year and a whole lot of years going backwards. Check it out. Thank you guys. Appreciate you.